Unlocking the mystery, it was in the cards. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. It was in the cards. This phrase might sound mysterious at first, but it's a great example of how language can capture the essence of human experiences and beliefs. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations. The phrase, "it was in the cards," is used to indicate that something was meant to happen or destined to be. It suggests that the outcome of a situation was influenced by fate or predetermined forces. The origin of this expression comes from the practice of tarot card reading or cartomancy, where cards are believed to predict the future or reveal hidden truths. This phrase is often used in situations where the outcome seems to have been influenced by factors beyond our control. For example, if someone lands their dream job against all odds, they might say, "It was in the cards for me to get this job." It can also express a sense of inevitability or acceptance of an event, whether it's positive or negative. To help you better understand, let's go through some examples. After years of running into each other in different cities, they finally realized it was in the cards for them to be together. Despite the team's best efforts, losing the match seemed like it was in the cards. When she won the lottery, she exclaimed, "I guess it was in the cards for me to be rich." These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, always pointing towards a sense of fate or destiny. It's interesting to note how the concept of fate and destiny is present in many cultures and languages, often with similar expressions. "It was in the cards" reflects a universal human curiosity about the future and our desire to find meaning in the events of our lives. Understanding such phrases can also give us insights into cultural attitudes towards fate and how we relate to the unknown. I hope this exploration of "it was in the cards" has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture complex ideas and emotions, connecting us across different cultures and experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the answers to life's big questions might just be in the cards.